Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to assemble these REALINN under sink organizers. So the first thing is you don't need any tools whatsoever. It's very easy to assemble. Here I've got one already assembled. The top shelf does not move in and out. This one slides in and out. But let's put it together really quick. So you've got this, okay, this one has the track and the arm sticking up, and then you simply just set this in there. Then you're going to take this top one. Let's do the bottom one first. Now the bottom one, it does have, this is a catch. So let's put it in from the opposite side. You don't have to do that. I'm just trying to lift up a little bit. Now, when I pull it out, that's going to be the stop, okay? It does come with some suction cups. You're definitely going to want to put something, you're going to want to put the suction cups in or this two-sided tape down. Then you simply take the top one and it just sets on there like this. You know, you don't want to slide it in and out. It just stays permanent. And then these are like little pieces of plastic. Okay, so here I have mine installed in my sink. Now you don't want to go all the way up against the wall. You may hit the hinge. Again, this one's going to be permanent. So if you come out, and again, it could, if you got heavy stuff here, it could tilt up. So you definitely want to put that two-sided tape down. Overall, front to back, you're looking at about 14.5 inches. Height-wise, overall is 11.5. You could put something in here about 7.5, almost 8 inches, but then you could put it pretty tall on this right here. Yeah, let's go this way. About 11.5 that way also. So again, no tools required. Pretty nice. 13 is the area that you can put stuff by about 9. And again, this one's 13, not quite 13, 12 3/4 by about 3.5. So I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.